Hello everyone, we are back with another questions of PT 2 minutes. Today we'll be discussing a question on Shaligram. I'll give you some time, try to mark the correct statement. So now let's discuss question. First statement says, ideal at newly constructed Ram temple are made of 60 million Shaligram rocks. Yes, this statement is correct. The ideal of Ram, Mata Sita and Lakshman are made from Shaligram rocks. So this statement is correct. Second statement says, Shaligram is the natural occurring fossilized shell found in Ganga, primarily in India and Bangladesh. So this statement is actually incorrect. Shaligram rocks are formed in the Kali Gandaki river. Okay, so this is very important to know about this river because they are formed. The Shaligram rocks are primarily formed in the India, Nepal, Tibet region and in the Kali Gandaki river. So this statement is incorrect. Third statement says the worship of Shaligram is integral to Shaivism, with devotee considering representation of Lord Shiva. So this statement is also actually false. Why? Because Shaligram rocks are associated with Lord Vishnu. Okay. So according to many Puranas like Varha Puran, Matsya Puran, Vishnu Puran, Shaligram rocks are mentioned in that many Purans. So as legend says, Shaligram rocks are the representation of Lord Vishnu, and the Kali Gandaki river is considered to be Mata Tulsi. So their union living like a legend in the stories of Nepal and India region. So that's why this Shaligram rock is also associated with the Vaishnavism, not Shaivism. So your answer becomes only 1. So those of you who have marked answer A, many congratulations. For many more video, follow PT 2 minutes. Thank you.